Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize volume bar on Samsung Galaxy A15. Simply go on Google, search here up to down, tap on the first website, then tap on search icon, search here sound assistant, tap on this application, simply scroll down, tap on get the latest version, scroll down, now tap on download. My APK file is downloaded, simply open it, tap on install, tap on open, allow the permissions. Now tap on make your own volume panel colors. Enable the flex UI by tapping on this toggle. Here you get lightning effects. For example, I am selecting this one. If you scroll down, here you get textures and here you get control type. One is bar and the other one is knob. Let's check it out the knob. You can simply decrease the volume like this and increase it like this. I am selecting bar again. Here you get bar shapes. For example, I am selecting this one. Now let's check it out. So this is how you can customize volume bar on Samsung Galaxy A15. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.